Hello, how's it going today? I am back in Confederation Park for Winterlude 2026 here in Ottawa, and I'm right in front of the Artemis II sculpture. And this year they're sending more people back to the moon, and we have a Canadian going, so that's why they have it here. Really, really awesome. I'm going to explore around Confederation Park and see all the completed ice sculptures, and there's even an ice sculpture trail across the city of Ottawa. So let's go check it out. Alright, these guys are pretty cool, aren't they, behind me here? And according to the map, there's more down by the Byward Market and more down by the Spark Street there, but I just walked down there and there isn't anything. So if you really want to see the big, amazing sculptures, come down here right in front of the Senate and down at Confederation Park. If you want to see what this park looked like all lit up at night, Katie and I were here a couple of weeks ago for Winterlude at night, and I'll link that video down in the description below. It looks a lot different here during the daytime, and I'm excited to go check out all the different ice sculptures. Canada is making history as Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen becomes the first Canadian and first non-American to join a lunar mission. He's part of the Artemis II program, the first crewed mission to the moon since the Apollo missions over 50 years ago in the 1960s and 70s. Here we have the FIFA World Cup 2026 sculpture, and the FIFA World Cup marks the 23rd edition of the tournament and will take place from June 11th to July 19th, 2026. It will be the largest and most inclusive World Cup in history, hosted across Canada, Mexico, and the United States. And Canada's mascot here is Maple the Moose, and we have Ronaldo, the sculptor. I was able to quickly have a nice little chat with him, and we talked a little bit, and it was really nice to meet you, Ronaldo. Thanks for the footage. I appreciate it. You're doing a great job with that sculpture. There's his reference photos, and I think it looks pretty good. The mascot for FIFA World Cup. Thanks, Ronaldo. When we were here last time at night at the Crystal Garden, the sculptures were still being carved, so let's go check them out. Man, just the level of detail they're able to capture in these is amazing. The house. I love the little polar bears sitting in front. It's really cute. It's a dog sled. Oh, that's awesome. The level of detail in this one is just fantastic. Like, you can even see shards of glass at the bottom. That's really cool. I was wondering how this one was going to turn out. Really cool. This one's one of my favorite ones here. The journey home. Canadian geese migrating. Oh, look at the little beaver. I love it. The detail is amazing. Like, just even look at the wood. It's awesome. Wow, this one's huge. All right, let's see what this baby can do. This is awesome. Really cool. Okay, so that is my trip back to Winterlude 2026 here during the day at Confederation Park, and I also did the snow sculpture trail. Now I want to talk about the snow sculpture trail just a little bit, and there is a link for that in the description below as well. You can head up towards the Senate building there and see more amazing sculptures of ice hogs. And according to the map, there are more sculptures in the Byward Market area and on Spark Street. I went down there and checked it out, and I didn't see very many big sculptures like this one here. They were just about this tall, but that's okay because they're in front of official restaurants and stores that are participating in the Winterlude festivities. So if you want to check those out, they're really awesome. They're just really small, so don't get disappointed if you go down there and check those out. And I'm really happy that I was able to come back to Confederation Park and check out all the completed ice sculptures and the big ones like this one here. They're really awesome, really well done. And if you want to see our first video, Winterlude at night, I'll link that in the description below. We were here, Katie and I, and we checked out the Confederation Park at night. And I was really excited to come back and see all the completed ice sculptures that are over there now. They look a lot different from when we were here last, and they're really awesome. I was also able to meet Ronaldo. He's an ice carver, and he's currently carving the FIFA World Cup Canadian mascot for the soccer series down there coming up soon later in 2026. I'm Brandon, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a blast coming back and checking out all the amazing ice sculptures. And if you want to see more, Katie and I are going to be going to Jacques Cartier Park in Gatineau, Quebec, coming up very soon for the Snowflake Kingdom. So we'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you at the next one.